Students, for the previous class, we studied about the file objects meant to give the information regarding the file which we are utilizing. For today's class, we are going to study about the file positions in Python. As you know, I am K.S. Pranit Chaudhary from the Department of Computer Science of SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar. I once again repeat the topic for today's class: file positions in Python. Here in file positions, the tell method tells us the current position within the file. It means simply when we are using our laptop or computer, where the cursor blinks, that is actually the tell method. That means the next write or read will occur at that many bytes from the beginning of the file. So, in file positions, the tell method tells us the current position within the file, where we are working, where we are going to read, or where we are going to write something. And next comes the seek offset from method, which changes the current file position. So here the offset argument indicates the number of bytes to be moved. So the seek method we have to learn is, the seek method is meant for changing the current file position. So seek method has two important words. One is the offset and next one is from. The offset argument indicates the number of bytes to be moved, and the from argument specifies the reference position from where the bytes are to be moved. So remember, offset indicates, let us take an example. If offset indicates 10 number of bytes to be moved, then from indicates from where those 10 arguments are to be removed. If from is set to 0, it means to use the beginning of the file as the reference position. And if 1 means to use the current position as the reference position. And if it is set to 2, then the end of file would be taken as the reference position. So we see here that there are three positions in from: 0, that is the starting of the file; 1, the current file position; and 2, the end of the file position. So just look here that the seek offset from method is meant to change the current file position. In seek method, we see two important words. One is offset and the second one is from. Offset indicates the number of arguments that are to be moved, and from indicates from where the arguments are to be moved. Here we see that from has three positions: 0, 1 and 2. If the from is set to 0, then it indicates to use the beginning of the file as reference position. And if from is set to 1, it indicates to use the current file position as the reference position. And if from is set to 2, then it indicates to use the end of the file as the reference position. Let us see an example here. There you can see in red letters string fo dot read the first 10 letters. Next, print read string is str. Next, print the current file position. The position here is 0, 0. Seek 0, 0. 0 is the offset and the next 0 is from. So offset here is given as 0, not to change the position, no number of bytes to be moved, whereas the next 0 is indicating that the starting of the file to be read again. So str fo read 10, again the string that has been read by the system is the same as that above, because the fo seek position is 0, 0. The next topic in this lesson is renaming and removing files. In other words, renaming and deleting files. In Python, the OS module provides some methods that help us to perform file processing operations such as rename and remove or deleting files. But the thing here that is to be noted is we have to import this module first, and then we can call any related functions. So before performing the renaming or removing operations in Python, the OS module has to be imported. Then the rename or the deleting files, removing files are to be performed. So here have a look on the rename method. The rename method takes two arguments, that is the current file name and the new file name. That means the current file name indicates what the present file name is, and the new file name indicates what the present file name has to be changed as. So there we have an example: os.rename test1.txt comma test2.txt. That means the test1.txt has been changed to test2.txt. Please have a look on the screen. The next one is the remove method, which is used to delete the files by supplying the name of the file to be deleted as the argument. Here we have to remember that in order to delete a particular file or in order to remove a particular file, we have to exactly know what the file name is. Without knowing the file name and the dot extension, we cannot remove a particular file in Python. Now let us learn about the file methods with descriptions. Here we can see that the green colored letters are the file methods, and the blue colored letters are the descriptions for the file methods. File.close method is used to close the file. After this method, that is closed method, is performed, a file cannot be read or written anymore. The next one, file flush. This flushes the internal buffer like stdio's flush. But in some file like objects, there is no option for flush. The next one is file next. When this method is used, we get the next line from the same file whenever we call the method. Next, file dot read size reads at most the number of bytes from the file. Next, file dot read line size reads one entire line from the file. A trailing newline character is kept in the string. Next, file.seek offset whence from sets the file's current position. The next one is file.readLines size hint reads until the end of file using the readLine method and return a list containing the lines. If the optional size hint argument is present, instead of reading up to end of file, the whole lines totaling approximately size int bytes, but they are rounded off to the internal buffer size. Next, file.tell returns the file's current position. The next one is file.writeStr writes a string to the file. File.writeLines sequence writes a sequence of strings to the file. The sequence can be iterable object producing strings, typically a lot of strings or a list of strings. So, my dear students, let us have a look on all the things we have learned today. The tell method, the seek offset from method, the offset argument, the from argument, the three positions in files 0, 1, 2, we have seen the example for seek method. Next, the OS module that has given as options for renaming files and removing files, but the thing that has to be remembered here, to rename or removing files, we have to import the OS module. So if we import the OS module, we can call the related functions any number of times. The syntax for rename method and the example for rename method. The syntax for remove method and the example for remove method. File methods with descriptions. File.close method. File.flush method. File.next method. File.read size method. File.read line size method. File.seek offset from method. File.read lines size hint method. File.tell method. File.write string method. File.write lines sequence method. Thank you for your silent listening. Just have a look on the screen. Thank you for your silent hearing. Thank you.